Hey guys, Band Productions 1 here. Just letting you know today. I've had this for a while, just decided I could make a video on it. My Stinger P9 pistol airsoft gun made by Crossman Airsoft. Now this one set comes with technically everything you need for a pistol airsoft gun. First of all, it comes with a nice fitted holster. It says Crossman right there. Comes with the actual gun. Now this gun is spring loaded, so you have to cock it back a lot. So like every shot, just give me a second here. I hope you got that. Okay, other than that, there's the magazine, which holds 0.12 gram BBs. See right there. Comes with a pack of 500 glow-in-the-dark 0.12 gram BBs, tracers, and a speed loader. Point of this is if you're out of ammo in your magazine, you just make it go up like that, and you put it in and just press down and babies come out. So yeah, this gun costed $95, I'm pretty sure, in Canadian money at Canadian Tire. So they have pretty good deals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye.